Hello everyone and happy June 1 to us all, and I'm so excited for today guys because alam naman natin at sa hindi nakakaalam of course na tapos at ngayon talaga ang pangalawang buwan na kung saan ginagawa natin itong ating no rice, very low carb diet of course na kinakailangan natin gawin para naman na maabot natin yung ating pinapangarap. And it all started of course guys, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kasi last 2 months ago I really decided to go into a no rice, a very low carb diet sa kadahilanan na umabot po tayo ng 105 kilograms those days. And of course, kailangan natin talaga ng matinding disiplina sa sarili, kailangan matinding desire, matinding goal para sa ating kalusugan. So, remember, health is wealth and magsisimula yan sa atin. So, huwag natin hayaan talaga na mapabayaan natin yung ating mga sarili sa kusina, sa mga pagkain, kasi tayo rin ang magsasuffer at the end of the day. So, yun na nga guys, to make the story short, umabot tayo ng 105 kilograms. So, yun ang nag-udyo kung bakit natin kailangan talagang gawin to. And then, there was a progress after 1 month. So, last May 1, nag-monitor tayo ng ating progress and we able to lose like 6.4 kilograms that day. So, for 1 month, natanggal natin yung 6.4 kilograms. So, from 105 kilograms, nakuha natin yung 98.6. So, for the first month yun natin, and then yung BP natin, kasi pumalo ko guys ng 171, which the lowest that time was 148. And then, nung first month na nag-low carb, no rice diet tayo, so nakuha natin ang 138 na hoping and praying really na sa pagpapatuloy natin ay maibaba natin yung ating BP plus of course the weight that we wanted to have. Kasi a desired weight ko guys is 72 kilograms, which hopefully makuha natin even 1 year pa yan. Basta long term po yan siya na plano, hindi natin madaliin kasi the more natin madaliin, the more na dangerous yung mangyayari. So just slow pace. Kung tatanungin niyo ako guys kung ano yung aking mga kinakain, kasi I don't have rice nga for my diet. So when it is work day, so I have my oatmeal in the morning and then mostly fruits and vegetables for lunch, and then yogurt and egg for dinner. Karaniwan yun ang aking mga kinakain. But I have to see to it na whenever I have time, especially on weekend, Saturday and Sunday, including holidays, then I could have my vegetables. So that would be mixed vegetables, pero umiiwas ako doon sa mga starchy vegetables like pumpkins, squash, mga long beans na yan, because that is a starchy vegetable, so medyo mataas yung kanyang carb content, so medyo iniiwasan natin yan. But of course, I think this month I had pumpkin ones. I mixed it kasi ma-miss mo rin naman talaga, so it's not bad to have it once maybe in a month or once in a week, but hindi siya palagi kasi nga mataas yung kanyang carb content. So, my go-to vegetables are really the green leafy vegetables. Yun, pinaghalo-halo lang natin yan and ganun lang ating ginagawa. So, I'm excited for today because for the first month, we able to lose like 6.4 kilograms. So, alamin natin ngayon kung ilan yung nabawas after we did it for 2 months already. And congratulations to us. Sana sundan niyo ako on knowing the progress for today. And then pupunta din tayo sa hospital for our BP. And then today also guys is the first time that we will be measuring our waistline, kasi may nararamdaman na ako na medyo lumuluwang na yung ating mga pantalon. So naisipan ko na pati waistline i-include na natin doon sa progress na ating susukatin later. So punta na tayo ng hospital, and I hope you will be going with me with this video, and let's know the progress for that 2 months of having very low carb diet. Tayo na? Let's go! We are now here at the local hospital behind me, so we will be getting inside guys, and we'll be knowing now our BP reading for this day. Come on. This is the machine that I'll be using, guys. I'll be using machine number 1. And ang hirap kasi mag-video kapag wala kang kasama kasi ipapasok mo yung kamay mo dyan sa butas. Then you'll have to press this on. So, tapos na tayo actually. So, we have 120 over 74. So, good na tayo guys with our BP. And punta na tayo ng 7-Eleven for our wait. Tingnan natin. I'm now here guys at 7-Eleven and ready to have that weighing, and I'm excited really, and congratulations because we able to get that 120 blood pressure today. And of course, I forgot to tell you guys that one of the factor was I did not eat pork. So wala po tayong karne for 2 months already. And whenever I have to eat meat, then that will be chicken only and fish. So doon lang po muna tayo. Umiiwas po muna tayo sa karneng baboy. So 2 buwan na po tayo nawala niyan. And I'm so thankful with the result because we have this 120, this one, okay? And hopefully ma-maintain natin yan. So kuha na tayo ng timbang natin guys. Let's go. So ayan, papatong na tayo, and I'm using the same timbangan guys ha, kasi kapag ka magkaiba-iba yung timbangan, then meron kasing difference talaga on every weighing scale. So tayo na, kunin na natin, and hulog na tayo ng ating 1 baht. So ready na ba tayo guys? Ready na? Ako ready na rin. In 1, 2, 3, let's go. So that's officially 92.6 from 98.6. So nga guys, congratulations, because ang buong akala ko talaga is we will just be like losing 3 or 4 kilograms this month. Kasi nag-stop ako ng walking since when was that? May 18, after the anniversary of the school, na nag-join ako ng mini marathon. So medyo nagka-problema tayo sa ating tuhod kasi medyo na lagyan ko ata ng too much speed, and then medyo sumakit yung ating tuhod. So there was an advice, of course, and then nag-take tayo ng medicine para doon. Actually ngayon nawala na naman siya, but I did not really have that running and walking exercise that I am having every afternoon for almost 2 weeks. So doon pa lang nag-isip ako talaga na medyo hindi ko makukuha yung goal ko na 5 kilograms. But luckily, maybe because of the food that we are taking in, so nakuha din natin yung 6 kilograms. So 92.6 kilograms officially for now. And congratulations because it's 6 kilograms. So in total, for 2 months, nakabawas na po tayo ng 12.4 kilograms. Yes, 12.4 kilograms for 2 months alone of having that no rice, very low carb diet that we have. So sana pagpatuloy, sana maituloy natin yan, and we'll be having that strong desire really of achieving that goal that we have. Basta disiplina lang talaga ang kailangan. And for now, kasi nga sabi ko sa inyo, after taking that progress of our weight, so yun na nga, 92.6 tayo for now, minus na tayo ng 12.4 kilograms. And of course, yung ating BP, nabalik na natin sa normal, which is 120 over 74 now. So, panatilihin lang natin yung ating BP na magiging normal. And wag natin kalimutan guys, isa talaga sa pinaka-factor ba't nakuha ko yung normal again is hindi ako kumain talaga ng pork for 2 months already. So, I'm into chicken, fish, and more on vegetables and fruits. So, ganun lang po. And isa nga sa sinabi ko sa inyo, today, ay kukunin natin yung ating waistline kasi may nararamdaman ako talaga na medyo lumuwang yung ating mga pantalon dyan. So I have here with me my measuring tool now. So this is, binili ko talaga to guys para for this one. So kunin na natin, and samahan niya ako at ibaba ko muna kayo nang makita natin yung ating waistline. Hindi makita. Okay, anyway, medyo may tiyan pa tayo dyan, guys. So, mawawala din yan. Papasaan ba yan? So, let's have this. And, para sa hindi nakakaalam, nagsimula ko ng project na ito with having 44 inches na waistline. So yes, 44 po tayo that time. Kaya yung mga pantalon ko talaga is 44. Kaya medyo maluwang na siya ngayon. So alamin na natin kung ilang inches na ba tayo ngayon after 2 months. So sukat-sukat sa malaking tiyan pa rin. So that is, ito ba ang waistline, guys? Oh, it's now ilan? So, it's 41 officially. So, nakabawas tayo dyan ng... Balik tayo dito sa taas. Nakabawas tayo, guys, ng 3 inches. So, from 44, 41 na siya ngayon, pero malaki pa rin yan talaga, as in, kahit na 22, okay na ako dyan. Ambisyoso, 22. Maybe 30, 36, that's good already, but not 44, okay? Kahit na makuha natin yung medyo 30, 34, 36, so dyan na range, okay na tayo dyan. Hindi na natin habulin yung mga 28 na pang binata. So, 34 and 36 yung ating goal na hopefully makukuha natin yan. So anyway, dyan tayo nagtatapos today and we're so happy with that progress. So again, nabawasan yung ating waistline ng 3 inches for now for the 2nd month. And then our kilograms, medyo yung bigat natin nabawasan ng 12.4 kilograms. Then natin yung BP natin is naibalik na natin sa normal for 2 months of having no rice and very low carb diet. So if you have question, guys, you just drop your question in the comment section, so I'll be answering that to you. And then if you have suggestion, don't hesitate to give that suggestion of yours, kasi sa ikabubuti naman nating lahat yan, including sa makakapanood ng video na to. And of course, just keep praying, guys, that I could be able to sustain, I could be able to continue this goal of mine. And sana talaga maibalik natin, maabot natin yung ating mga pangarap and goals sa ating mga ginagawang ito. And I'm excited kung ano naman yung magiging success sa ating 3rd month, and that will be by July 1. So we have 1 month to go, and then alamin na naman natin ulit yung ating progress, at sana sasamahan niya ako dyan. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please keep subscribing this channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell para updated kayo onto whatever upload, whatever video that will be uploading to this channel. And of course, press like, guys. Thank you really so much, and I love you all always. Happy June 1 to us all, and God bless us all, guys.